So how do you determine whether you should repair damaged plaster or just remove it, start from scratch? And there's a lot of factors that go into making that decision. The first factor is how bad is the existing plaster? Would it be quicker just to go over it with sheetrock, rip it out and start from scratch, or repair what's there? In this room, there was an area in the corner over here that had received some water damage, a fairly significant size delamination in the ceiling and in the wall. Percentage-wise, it was probably 15% of the plaster was damaged or delaminated. So it made sense to just go ahead and repair it, especially since the homeowner, had a limited budget and really liked the look of the old plaster. So I was able to fix it and then skim coat around the room to smooth it out a little bit more than it was underneath that wallpaper. And we're about ready to start painting here. If it's borderline, if there's significant damage, and especially if you're looking to do improvements in other areas like insulation, electrical, plumbing, then by all means it makes a lot more sense to go ahead and just rip it out. That way you have access to the wall system. You can get it insulated properly. You can upgrade the wiring and then go right over it with sheetrock. But if those factors aren't part of your equation, then it's really just a budget and aesthetic question at that point.